हेलो गाइस, सॉरी आई मेड यू ऑल वेट क्योंकि हम लोग दिल्ली से एक्चुअली बहुत लेट वापस आए एंड आई हैव नॉट स्लेप्ट ओनली. और कल रात मुझे लगा मैं सो जाऊँ, पर बिकॉज ऑफ ट्विटर एंड मैसेजेस मैं सोया ही नहीं हूँ. ऑनेस्टली इट्स वेरी नर्वसनेस बहुत हो जाती है. ऐसे लगता है जैसे एग्ज़ाम देने वाले हो नेक्स्ट डे. आप लोग का एग्ज़ाम आ रहा है अभी? नेक्स्ट कब है? कल है? तो बहुत प्रिपेयर्ड लग रहे हो आप तो. नो बट ऑनेस्टली उतना ही नर्वसनेस होता है जैसे आप 10th स्टैंडर्ड का ICSE बोर्ड देने वाले हो ना. सो सेम फीलिंग इज देयर नाउ व्हेन द फिल्म इज अबाउट टू रिलीज. थैंक यू सो मच एंड आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल विल गो एंड वॉच इट एंड आई होप यू ऑल डोंट वॉच इट एंड you all can go and see ABCD too then. Okay?
Fantastic. In fact, two of your fans, they have especially come from Pune. These two girls, they have come
Hello.
all the way from Pune to meet you. So, Varun, first of all, you've had a long association with Bollywood Hungama. So, if you'd like to start with your association with Bollywood Hungama and then we'll take the proceedings.
I would like to say that Bollywood Hungama came into our life. It was called India FM before. So I would follow India FM. I remember when it was. And you always had sites to track and to talk about Hollywood films. You know, whether it was Yahoo movies or Box Office Mojo, and I would always feel कि यार इंडिया में क्यों नहीं है. You know, we are such a big growing industry, and then bam, one day came Bollywood Hungama and changed the whole game. You know, and it was so professional in its outlook with reviews, all latest films. They have the music, then they have exclusive pictures, details into trade, details into costuming of films. So I think अगर आपको एक insight चाहिए on movie making, insight चाहिए on overall 360 degrees how a film is made from signing actors and technicians to shooting it to promoting it, I think Bollywood Hungama is definitely the place to go. It's run very well, I think, by Suleiman, who I've met today for the first time. It has some great people like Taran and Faridun. I've always told Faridun that I've been a fan of his. And I've always told him that his most enjoyable interviews are the ones with Sajid Khan. Bollywood Hungama is one site that's keeping it positive and encouraging the industry in that sense and encouraging actors like me. They've supported me all through my career, and yet they've not been biased because someone is friendly with them or not friendly with them. They are honest and they keep a very good balance, and I think that's why they're the number one Bollywood site in the country.
Large round of applause for that. Huge round of applause. So thank you very much, Varun, for that. And let's start the proceedings. Okay, and a few of your fans, they'll be having a few questions to you, and we can just take it up from there. Okay, so you have a question?
Hi, my name is Nidhi.
पुणे से हो?
Yeah.
कैसे आए आप?
My train.
ट्रेन से? How long does it take by train?
3 hours.
अच्छा, same like car only
Yeah,
almost.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll ask you a question. It's a
Yeah.
bit funny, but still.
Don't worry. Please, I want funny right now.
Varun, घेतली का?
Bollywood Hungama गेले.
Can you just say that murder केले with the same expression? I'm like.
I've actually, I think this is one film where मैं dialogue बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ पिक्चर के, क्योंकि when I did this film, I swear I was another person, and that's not me in real life. I don't talk like that. I'm a very nice boy. अच्छे खानदान का boy हूँ मैं, अच्छा लड़का हूँ मैं. तो अगर आप मतलब स्टार्टिंग से डायलॉग बोलोगे तो मैं ट्राई करता हूँ.
नाम का है?
रघु.
का?
रघु.
घेतली का?
मर्डर केले.
Fantastic. All right, so can we have more questions from here on, please?
Hi Varun, I'm Sheetal. I'm speechless actually.
Why? Don't worry. Say anything. I like your jacket.
Thanks. I love you.
I love you too, Sheetal.
Can I hug you?
Yeah, you can hug me. Come. How old are you?
22.
हाँ, तो you can watch Badlapur.
Hi Varun.
Hi, what's up? Nishi. तो शर्मा क्यों रहे हो नाम बोल रहे हो?
Nishi
Where you
from
from,
Pune,
Nishi?
Pune.
अच्छा, पुणे से. Where in Pune?
Sisters.
अच्छा, सगी बहन हो? Who's older? Who's younger? You're younger. अच्छा, मेरे को लगा बोले I am.
आप आंखों में longing देख रहे हैं? आप आंखों में longing देख रहे
हाँ,
हैं?
देख रहा हूँ.
You're seeing that longing in her eyes.
तो बहनों की अच्छी चॉइस है.
You want to hug him as well? Yeah, she wants to hug you as well.
Thank you for coming.
You know, this happens only on Bollywood Hungama. You have to hug Varun Dhawan, come to Bollywood Hungama. She can kiss as well. Okay. Any questions you have? You come all the way from Pune?
I want to listen that song which you sung for that girl in the car
एक अजनबी है सगना से.
in same attitude. Same attitude? Yes.
तो you'll have to ask him first of all that. रात में अगर अगर लड़की जो है सुनसान उसमें, तो या तो वो भूत होती है.
या वो सीरियल किलर होती है.
हाँ, ये भूत होता है.
आप गलत सोचती हो. रोमांटिक फिल्म भी हो सकती है. एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, ला 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 ला.
Large round of applause. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic.
Myself, Zishan.
Hi,
I want
Zishan.
to ask you, you were doing movies like comedy, basically. Suddenly you change your genre from comedy movies to dark. So how was your experience working with Nawazuddin Siddiqui?
मैं खुद स्माइल कर करके थक गया था और एंड आई लव डूइंग कॉमेडीज एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डू लॉट्स ऑफ मोर कॉमेडीज लॉट्स ऑफ मोर कॉमेडीज बट आई सेड इफ आई हैव टू गिव माय 100% इन दैट लेट मी गेट दैट अदर इमोशन आउट ऑफ मी which is in बदलापुर. ट्रस्ट मी आई हैव वो जितना भी था अंदर ना वो सब इस पिक्चर में डाल दिया मैंने. सो नाउ आई एम रिफ्रेश टू स्माइल एंड डू कॉमेडीज एंड बी हैप्पी अगेन. And as far as Nawaz is concerned, I think one requirement of mine to signing Badlapur was that Nawaz be cast as Layak. Because now the film is going to release, I can tell all of you all कि Badlapur एक solo hero film नहीं है, एक double hero film है. मतलब हीरो तो कोई नहीं है बट डबल हीरो फिल्म है. दैट्स नवाज एंड मी. हम लोग के पैरेलल ट्रैक्स चलते हैं. जितना मैं इंपॉर्टेंट हूँ पिक्चर में उतने वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो व्हेन यू हैव अ एक्टर लाइक नवाज ऑन द साइड, मुझे पता था कि वो तो अच्छा काम करने ही करने वाले. तो भाई मुझ पे नहीं, मुझे बम्बू नहीं लगे. तो मैंने बोला मैं भी कर लेता हूँ अच्छा काम इस पर.
Thank you.
In fact, I've seen the movie and all his fans can rest assured that Nawazuddin जैसे एक्टर के साथ में खड़े हो पाना and just equal him is not easy, and Varun Dhawan has managed that. And all his fans, I think they're having something totally shockingly different from what they've seen him so far. Okay, you have any questions?
I'm Sonia. I really wanted to dance on Jeena Jeena from the movie Badlapur.
बदलापुर
We'll do it after that. We'll do it.
I also want a dialogue from the Humpty Dumpty.
From
मैं
Humpty?
दिखता हूँ स्वामी टाइप.
नहीं वो तो मैं तेरा हीरो का हूँ.
हाँ, that one.
Demand
वो
हो रही
भी एंड में बोल दूंगा मैं आपके लिए. प्रॉमिस.
I want. मतलब demand देखिए आप. This happens only on Bollywood Hungama. Okay, who's the next one?
Hey,
Hey, what's up?
I'm Shubham. I just want to listen the dialogue of yours in
Which
Humpty
one?
Sharma. You say to the girls, two girls.
हाँ जब
मैं
आते हैं वो
बचपन
लोग.
में बहुत मोटा था.
हाँ वो क्या है ना, वो बचपन में बड़ा मोटा था ना तो पापा ने मेरा नाम हम्टी रख दिया.
That's cool.
All right, you have any questions?
Hi, I'm Nishma.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Since your character has to put you a lot of angst in the movie, is there a particular scene that after which you're sure you thought to yourself, ki yes, I've nailed it? Is there a particular scene like
You know the last scene that we shot in the film, because you've seen it, is the one which me and Vinay shoot on that dining in that restaurant.
That's the last scene.
That's the last scene I shot for.
Acha.
Me and Vinay, where we are talking to each other and eating food, and
Okay.
Radhika
I
that
know.
restaurant mein.
I know.
So when I shot for that scene, I was, as an actor, I was thinking I'm getting it right actually. And Sriram came to me and he saw that scene. He said, "You finally got it, huh?" So I said, "Now you're telling me it's the last day of shooting." I said, "Uske pehle matlab kya?" So I think the last day of shooting of Badlapur is when I thought I actually got the character.
No, in fact, all his fans, I can assure you, and I'm not saying it because he's here right now, that there's not a single false note in his performance. Okay, there's not a single false note, and it's not easy. I think you've done exceedingly well. All right, next question.
Hi Varun, my name is Sanketa.
Hi Sanketa.
I love you.
I love you too.
My
Can I get a hug?
Yeah, sure.
Demand ban gayi. Okay, you give it.
I'm Isita.
Hi.
I wanted to ask, you work with so many actresses. Who you feel was an honor to work with you?
Honestly feel that they all were an honor to work with in some way or the other. But I remember when I was working with actually Ileana, because I'd seen Barfi. So I was like, "Arey yaar, ye bahut."
She's a very fine.
And she's done so many South films, and actually Ileana is my senior because she's done at least 13-14 films before I worked with her. But having said that, I think everyone from Alia to Shraddha to Nargis to all these 4 lovely ladies in my film, all of them have been an honor because some way or the other, I think an actress has to be really brave when they work with me because I'm quite crazy on set. So I think I'm honored that I've worked with all.
One request.
Say.
मैं तेरा हीरो में you've done the dialogue with where you were with that
Arunodaya.
हाँ,
Arunodaya.
that World Cup वाला.
वर्ल्ड कप वाला, हाँ क्यों वर्ल्ड कप. ओके ठीक है. ये अंगद, अगली बार तूने सुनैना या मेरे माँ बाप का नाम लिया ना तो याद रख, मेरठ जाने वाली अगली ट्रेन पकड़ूंगा और गली नंबर 14 में कोठी नंबर 12 में घुस के तेरे माँ के चरण छू के मैं कहूंगा, ए माँ मुझे माफ कर दे माँ, क्योंकि मैं तेरे लाल का वो हाल करूंगा जो 2003 वर्ल्ड कप में सचिन और सहवाग ने पाकिस्तान का किया था.
Okay, so now, in fact, someone has said Jeena Jeena, and we were thinking of Ji Karda. So which song you guys finally? Ji Karda. You're okay with Ji Karda? All right. Yeah. Okay, so you're fine with Jeena as well.
Yeah.
All right, so let's have Ji Karda to start with, and then Jeena. please.
दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे है तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम। ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना।
This is my first dance. I have never danced in like my before. This is my first ball dance.
And that was Varun Dhawan. So how's the experience? You're speechless.
I'm speechless. I'm shivering that.
My God, fantastic. We have with us Varun Dhawan after a hilarious and a very, very funny and entertaining meet and greet with Bollywood Hungama. Huge pleasure to have you back, Varun, and I hope that you had fun.
It was a great time, yeah, because honestly I've gone for all my city promotions and stuff, and there when you have crowd you can't really interact and meet the crowd, you know, you can just connect with them talking. But here, because they all were sitting so close to me, they spoke to me, they told me what they like, what they don't like, and you know, you get to even know them as people, which is damn cool.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.